To grade C. I'm not going to mess about with the really low stuff. In fact, it starts in grade D anyway. You may recall from Key Stage 3 that we did things like, if you move a shape, for example, I don't know, 2 units that way, you called that 2 units to the right, and then you moved it up, say 3 units, then that would be 3 units up. But up and down, left and right is not really good enough for grade C, so we need to avoid that language. So this, for example, might be, I don't know, 3 units left and 4 units down. So that'll be left with my arrow there and down. So, alright, fine. So if you imagine the left and right movements being like going along the x-axis, positive or negative, and the up and down movements being like going up the y and down the y-axis, then that's an okay rule to follow. So, but we're going to do proper vectors now. We're not going to play with silly little ups and downs and lefts and rights. We're going to do it properly and get it absolutely right. Now let's take it question at a time, look at the diagram and then write down the vector translation. Please note the terminology. These are translations and they're described by vectors. The maps, please note that lovely word mapping or maps. I want to map A onto B. In other words, get me from A to B somehow. And if I look at this square right here, or this point right here, this vertex, I want to translate it to its image B, like so. How do I do that? 1, 2 to the right, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be not 2 right, 5 up, but 2, 5 written like that as a column vector. Please note it's not that. Okay, it's not that. So this is on video, it's not that, so I'm going to rub it out in front of you. Okay, it's a column vector. Okay, it's a column, not a horizontal thing as if it was a coordinate. So it's not a coordinate. Now if it's 2, 5 to translate from A to B, then I reckon if I choose this point, the 2, 5 should also work. 1, 2 along to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. So that completely works. Alright? Let me rub out these things. I might need the shape for later on anyway. So there you go. So when you translate the whole shape, every corner comes with a shape, gets dragged along according to the translation vector 2, 5. So A goes on to B using vector 2, 5, and it's been translated from A to B. So A gets mapped onto B. Right, now let's just do C to F. C to F. Bit of a journey. So if I take this as my leading point, I want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I've gone from this vertex here to that vertex. So try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're at 5 to the right, so it's 5, and 11 down, so it's minus 11. Alright, try it with this one again. It should be 5 minus 11 as well. Let's see what happens. So we'll start from there. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, that works as well. So what works for one vertex works for all the vertices. The answer is 5 minus 11. Next one, I want to go from E to D. There's E, there's D. Okay, so I want to go from that one to that one. So I want to go 1, 2, 3 to the left. So it's minus 3. And then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up. So it's minus 3. In other words, go left 3. And then 7 up. And that's the column vector. That's meant to be like a, try and do it a little bit better than that. Should be curvy and nice. There you go, sort of like that, it's better. Right, test it again with this point. 1, 2, 3 to the left, that's minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, it works. Minus 3 to the left, and then 7 straight up. And finally, I want to go from B to F, which is a huge journey. Let's just try and have a look. I'm going to go across here, and then come straight down. So let's just get counting. So from here then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, I'm directly above it now. So it's 10 across, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 down. So it's 10 across and minus 13. Alright, just about fits on the white page there without going into the purple background. And that is the 4 translations. They could have asked us to go from F to A, which would be minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So minus 12, 8, written as a column vector, would be the translation of F to A, using minus whatever it was plus whatever it was. Can't remember now, I'm tired. But anyway, that's how it goes. They could have asked an awful lot more. They could have asked us from E to C, work in that direction. It's all legitimate, but you've got 4 examples there, both positive and negative, and so that's fine. And I'll stop with that one, and that should be alright.